So this time, class, let us identify the parts of algebraic expression. So the given algebraic expression is 2x minus 3. So sabi natin kanina, algebraic expression is a combination of what? Variables, constant or numbers, operation. So first word is the variable. So when we say variable, so kind of read verse.
Variable, a symbol or letter that represents one or more values.
Okay, so a symbol or letter represent one or more value. Okay, based on the given expression, okay, what do you think is the given variable? A letter. O, anong letter yung binigay? Okay, therefore, our variable is x. Okay, ang sabi daw dyan, ang variable daw ay nagre-represent ng isa o higit pang value. Okay, I will give an example of algebraic equation. So, I have here 5, ang x plus 5 is equal to 11. So, let us identify the value of the given variable. So, we have x plus 5 is equal to 11. Now, based on the given equation, what do you think will be the value of x? Very good. Paano nakuha si 6? So, nag-isip po tayo ng number na pwedeng i-add kay na ang lalabas ay, and that is, so therefore, the value of x is 6. So, ang sabi dyan, represent a value. So, ang ating variable ay missing lagi siya. So, meron siyang equivalent value. Pero, dahil hindi pa nga nakikita, so, therefore, missing lagi ang ating variable. Sabi po dyan, represent one or more value. So, one value kapag ang symbol na ginamit ay equal. Pero kapag gumamit na tayo, anak, ng inequality symbol, like, what symbol is this? Greater than. Ano ito? How about this one? Greater than or equal to. How about this one? Less than or equal. Doon na po tayo nagkakaroon ng more than one value ng variable. Okay, so, any question about variable? Do you understand? Okay, now let us proceed by the second part, which is the constant. Boys, can you read the meaning?
Number or symbol that represent one fixed value.
A number or symbol that represent one fixed value. Meaning, hindi pwedeng mabago yung value niya. Okay. A number. Ilan yung number na binigay, anak? Dalawa. Anong number yon? 2 and negative 3. Anak, eto si 3, ang sign niya ay negative. Okay. The given numbers are 2 and negative 3. Let us identify ano daw yung constant natin dyan. Ang sabi po, one fixed value. So, meaning, hindi pwedeng mabago. Okay, first, si 2 po ba ay pwedeng mabago? Okay, so 2, pwede po siyang mabago. Depende sa value ni x. Anong operation pag magkatabi? O, pag nakuha mo na yung value ni x, ita-times mo kay 2. So, mababago na si 2. Magiging as 1 na siya. So, meaning, si 2 ay hindi constant. Ano lang po ang constant natin dyan? Si negative 3. Our constant is negative 3. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, the third term is the coefficient. So, when we say coefficient, a number that multiplies a variable. And what number is that? Very good. Our coefficient is 2. So, ito yung number na kadalasang katabi ng variable, which is 2. Okay, now we have two types of coefficient. We have the numerical coefficient and the literal coefficient. Or from the word itself, numerical. Anong tinutukoy nun? Very good, number. And pag sinabi natin literal, letters or variable. Okay, so let us try an example. Okay, the given expression is 3x. So what do you think is the numerical coefficient? Ano yung number? 3. Very good. And what is the literal coefficient? Okay. How about for the second one? 2xy. What is the numerical coefficient? 2. And literal coefficient? X and y. How about the third one? Numerical coefficient? 5. And the literal coefficient? Okay, the answer is? Y squared na po. Okay, ma'am, ano yung pinagkaiba ng variable at ng literal coefficient? Sa variable, ang tinutukoy lang ay only the variable, the letter. Okay, sa literal coefficient, variable na kapag may exponent, i-include mo yan. Meaning, our variable here is y. And our literal coefficient is y squared. Do you understand the difference? Okay, next. How about y? What is the numerical coefficient? Very good. Imaginary. And what is the literal coefficient? So, any question about the two types of coefficient? And the last part is the terms. Okay, bawat expression may mga terms po yan. When we say term, a part of the expression separated by the plus or minus sign. Okay, the plus or minus, sorry. Okay, number, variable, or a combination of number and variable. Okay, includes the operations in front as its sign. Let us identify the number of terms here. So, the given is 2x minus 3. First question, may nakita po ba kayo anak na plus or minus na operation? Yes, ano operation? Okay, meaning, etong minus na to, isa-separate na yung expression. Ihahatiin sa ilan, nahati. Okay, meaning 2 terms yan. So, the first term is yung 2x, yung una. And then, ano yung magiging second term natin dyan? Very good. Negative 3. Bakit? Ano pong sabi dito? Includes. Isama daw. Isama daw yung operation sa harapan ng number as its sign. Kapag ang operation ay addition, ang sign ay positive. Kapag ang operation ay subtraction, ang sign ay negative. Kaya ano yung second term natin? Negative 3.